In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive and Google Docs, focusing on a simple yet essential task that many of us often need to accomplish: uploading and sharing your resume. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive's website. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the option to do so right away. Enter your login details and you'll find yourself on the main Google Drive page where all your files are neatly stored and accessible. If you're new to Google Drive, don't worry, it's an intuitive interface designed to help you manage and share your files effortlessly. Once you're logged in, look towards the top left corner of your screen and you'll see a colorful plus button labeled New. Go ahead and click that. This option allows you to create new folders, documents, and, importantly, to upload files from your computer. After clicking New, a menu will appear with several options. For our task today, select File Upload. This option enables you to upload files directly from your computer to your Google Drive storage. It's a simple process. Just navigate to the folder on your computer where your resume is saved. For resumes, it's generally best to use either a Word document or a PDF format to ensure the formatting remains consistent and professional. Select your resume file and confirm the upload. Great, now your resume is safely stored in your Google Drive, accessible from any device that can connect to the internet. Take a moment to find the resume file you just uploaded. When you click on the file name, say its name KB updated CV.pf, you'll open a preview of your document. It's always a good idea to give it a quick once over to ensure that all the formatting is intact and everything looks as it should. Now, let's move on to the sharing aspect. With the resume file still selected, look for the Share button. This is where Google Drive's functionality really shines. Clicking this will open up a sharing settings window. If you're planning to share your resume via a hyperlink, you can right-click the resume file in your drive, then select Get Link. Before you copy the link, you might want to adjust the link settings to anyone with the link. This way, whoever you send the link to can access your resume without any restrictions. Finally, copy this link and use it in applications, emails, or anywhere you need to share your